So you may not have known this, but Amazon has a brand new release tab up at the top, and then you could actually filter it down on the left-hand side to exactly what category you're interested in. And let me tell you, I was browsing the new arrivals and I was like, there's so many good ones. So I tested out a lot, and in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing the best of the best brand new arrivals to Amazon that you can buy right now. We have a little bit in every category, but we're gonna kick it off with this charging block. This is just one of those little finds that you find is so helpful. This is actually a 6-in-1 charging block. So you can simultaneously charge up to 6 devices at one time. And it's like just this sleek little charging block, which is great. It also has the built-in fast charging. So you're not gonna have to plug, if you have 6 in there, it's not gonna be like each one takes so long to charge. It does have that fast charging capability too. And if you wanna bring this along with you traveling, it's small and compact. It's great to even take with you to work. This is also very travel friendly with the sleek designs. Now you may be like, Alaina, what is that? Is that underwear? No, it is actually a facelift mask. So these little faceless double chin, if you will, masks have been going viral. And I saw this new one and I liked the design of it in a sense that it's so customizable. It just has these Velcro little straps that you can put underneath your chin. It actually goes over your ears and you can connect it up at the top. Now there's no saying that these do look silly, but I think this could be a great addition to your nighttime routine, put on your skincare, and the benefits have really proven to over time definitely help with under the chin area. Also helps with sagging cheeks. And I mean, gravity, it's helping pull the skin up. It helps with the physical force to shape the contour of your jawline. Also helps with the masseter muscles here. And it's made of what they call this ice silk. So it's really soft, really comfortable on the skin when you're wearing it. And then, like I said, the 3D design does have that customability that you can match it perfectly to your face. I've seen ones that like just go over the ears and I was like, those look so uncomfortable. And as you see, it also has a design where it's really breathable on the skin too. So I just started using this. We're gonna see how it goes over the next couple months, but this one's really comfortable and the results are really cool on these. This is so genius that my husband even got excited about this. Lady, mamas with kiddos, this is a travel, basically tableware set. So it comes with 2 little silicone trays, which they stick to the table. They have a really great suction that comes with 2 utensils, also comes with a bib that you can fold up really nice and tight. And all of this will fit in this little cute pouch that you can just throw in the diaper bag. So we keep it in our diaper bag, but it's also amazing to travel with. This is so great. I have a 10-month-old and she's eating, and it's just so great when you don't want to give them like a big glass plate where when you're at a restaurant, you can just use this little silicone set. And it's so small and compact, but even for my 2-year-old, same thing. If you don't want to give them a glass plate or you're just on the go and you don't have anywhere that you can put a plate, this is just, it's genius. And it's also very, very easy to clean. And it comes, like I said, in a waterproof storage bag. So key waterproof, that's another bonus. I foresee this being a top seller on Amazon. We were like, Jordan was like, we needed this a lot sooner. Now this is a short sleeve 2-piece lounge set, and I'm very excited about the short sleeve. I think this is gonna go perfect moving into the spring season. Now this is more of a medium weight fabric, so you're still gonna get that little bit of warmth if you wanna wear it now while it's still chilly out. Maybe you live down south. I mean, this set's just great. It does feature a really nice polo neckline, which I love. I'm wearing my true to size here. I actually picked it up in the brown and the black, and I just like the fit. It switches things up. It's not like your basic lounge set that we're seeing everywhere. And it does have a little bit of that like larger knit fabric too, which is really, really nice. So style this with some sneakers with the little clog slide-ons that I shared. Very versatile, and it'll be one you'll reach for on repeat. If you live in a cold weather climate like I do, this little shoe glove dryer is absolutely genius. I saw this on Amazon and I was like, I wonder how that would work. And it snowed here recently. It's been snowing here, and it has this special design where you can kind of move the legs on the dryer and fit any footwear, any gloves that you have. So basically, if you are out in the snow or you're just out in the elements and you want to warm them up, maybe it rained, you can put these on. Or even if you're like me and you want to just warm up your shoes before you take them out, you can slide them on there. But they're great for just rain or snow. And it does have after a 2 hour, it does have an automatic turn off. But this takes about 1 to 2 hours to completely dry a shoe, depending on how wet or damp it got. All right, ladies, you're gonna literally stop what you're doing and wanna grab this new product. NYX, they came out with a butter melt glaze. Now, that might sound really weird, kind of not appealing at all. I get it. I don't know where they came with the butter name for this, but I have it on my skin. I've been wearing it the last couple days. I have it on my skin right now. I have been obsessed with this stuff. It is a skin tint, but I would say it gives a good light to more medium weight coverage, and it just gives the most beautiful, healthy glow. I have very sensitive skin. I have combo oily, and this did not break me out. It does have sunscreen in it as well, but it doesn't give that weird cast. It just gives the most beautiful, healthy glow to your skin. It's that glow that we're all looking for. Now, I did put a little bit of powder on top just to help it stay, but it also is very long wearing. I put this on in the morning and it still looks literally just as good in the evening. So a little bit goes a long way. I got the color Cashew Butter and I'm literally obsessed. So this is a must have. Go NYX. This is flying off of the shelves everywhere. You have your good base, but you want to put a setting glue on. That's what this is called. Essentially, say goodbye to the Urban Decay 24-hour nighting spray and hello to the NYX, the face glue setting spray. This literally keeps your makeup on all day long. You just spritz your face after you finish your makeup in the morning. Could do before and after if you want. Incredible. Like NYX has totally set the bar with these new products. I am so excited. It also is known to be transfer resistant, which just in general, it's gonna help your makeup wear longer. Doesn't have any funky smells. Again, I have very sensitive skin and this didn't bother it at all. Now, as someone who definitely likes to wear powder, sometimes in the winter, my skin can look a little bit dry, can pick up on those dry patches. I also find a setting spray to be really helpful because it kind of melts all of that together too. So if you have any travel coming up, specifically international travel, this is a new travel adapter, but this does a lot of things in one. This is a 6-in-1 worldwide travel adapter, has an AC outlet, 5 USB ports, 2 USB-A, and 3 USB-C ports. And what's great again with this one is you can charge multiple at one time, like your cell phone, your laptop, tablets, cameras, you name it. But it has 4 different plugs, which covers about 225 countries that you could use this in. But just keep in mind, any device over a 1600 watt, you can't use this. So just check that out. But very lightweight, compact, portable, and easy to take with you on the go. Now, if you're like me and get extremely dry skin on your hands and your feet in the wintertime, I feel like I turn into the desert in the winter time, but specifically my hands and my feet will get like cracks and really dry skin on them. And so I know Aquaphor, and there's been viral foot masks that have been going around on Amazon, but they now have a hand mask for your hands. So all you need to do is you pull on the gloves that have the lotion already in them. So it's like you put your gloves on for 10 minutes and then you can pull them off, you rub it in, and I like to do it before you go to bed so then you can just let it work overnight. And Aquaphor has kind of been my go-to in general. I use their Aquaphor lip, especially in the winter. Their lotions are really good, but I like the fact that these are more concentrated with the ingredients that are in them, and they do a really good job at helping repair those really sore, dry, cracked hands and feet that we get. So they do have the new hand, but they also do come in a foot version as well, which is also amazing. But speaking of travel, I am low-key obsessed with this little carry-on weekender travel bag. First of all, right off the hand, I have tried out a lot of travel weekender tote bags on Amazon. This one is so good. Down to like the handles. The fabric is really soft and feels like really high end. And then the actual fabric of it is this gorgeous quilted material. It has a separate bottom here for your shoes. You can throw this on your suitcase with a little suitcase holder here. It also does have 2 pockets on either side, a full zip on the top. That's key. Amazing. You don't need to use this as a travel bag. It could be a gym bag. It could be a diaper bag if you will. Lots and lots of compartment in here. It also comes with a full crossbody strap too, so you can use it as a crossbody bag. And it also comes with a clear container like this too, that you can put items that you don't want to leak, snacks, things like that in there. But there's so much room in here and the quality just feels so good. I also love the size of it. It's not too big, not too bulky. It's like the perfect, you can fit everything you need in here without being too bulky. Also, I can fit my laptop in here too. So it's also a really great work bag tote to take with you as well, kind of depending on your work setting. But this, ladies, it's a hidden gem. I have been so invested in mouth tape. One of my girlfriends started using it and she swears by it. And then a family member started recommending it and I was like, I've got to try this out. I did my research. There really are so many cool benefits of mouth taping if you want to wake up super energized. It just helps you get a much better sleep by the way that you breathe. Also benefits of strengthening that jawline. So we're all gonna have snatched jaws after today's video. Studies have also shown to brighten eyes, but ultimately helps reduce snoring. So if you know someone who snores, this also can be very beneficial for that. But the overall goal of this is just to help you wake up way more energized, get a deeper sleep, just with the way that it helps you sleep. So really, really cool. I like this. You just peel each night. I'll just peel a new one off. You stick it on like right before you go to bed and watch the magic happen. The level of excitement I felt when I saw one of my favorite brands on Amazon for leggings come out with a long sleeve kind of fitted top that wasn't a bodysuit, I was very excited. This fabric is incredible. It's like this almost like a spandexy, buttery, soft fabric. It's just amazing. I did size up to a medium. I wanted to make sure that it didn't ride up on me at all. And this is just the best layering piece for the winter season. Obviously you can use this year round, but this fabric is just unmatched. It wears well over time, comes in a variety of different color options. Available in sizes extra, extra small through extra large. And I would say this runs true to size. It's a very fitted top, but I'm very glad to see a top like this that isn't a bodysuit, because oftentimes I find myself just tucking in the ends of the bodysuit and I don't even button them. So I'm like, why do I get a bodysuit? I don't know, because the fabric. But this, I feel like you get all the benefits in one, and it's just that basic we all need. I have been seeing these suede clogs from the UGG brand just take off this winter. And I saw that there's this new release, these clogs to Amazon, and they actually have a memory foam padding. Like, I was so skeptical on these. I was like, I feel like they're gonna be clunky. They kind of feel like one of those bulky shoes that it's not going to be easy to walk in. No, these are so good and actually extremely comfortable, and they're not bulky. They're more thin than the UGG Taz Look for Less slipper shoes that I wear all of the time. Plus they have the Velcro back, so you can customize them to your feet, and they run very true to size. They come in a few color options. This Project Cloud brand on Amazon is really, really good for shoes as well, but it has that same very on-trend suede fabric, good grip on the bottom, and they're just so comfortable. You actually can even slide this forward and just kind of use it as a clog slide on too. So it's just a really versatile shoe, great to go with all your favorite lounge sets, which, talking about lounge sets, we have to talk about this new one. Okay, get ready for your new favorite lounge pant, and ladies, they come in extended and petite sizes. So these are the pants for everyone, and they are such a good Lululemon look for less. The fit is beautiful. They are so comfortable. They do feature pockets, really nice stretchy waistband, and very on-trend straight style. The fabric, it just doesn't get any better. They wash well, and they come in a bunch of different color options. Like I said, they do have different inseam lengths, and these are the pants that you can wear casually around the house, running out errands. But then also, if you opt for like the black option, this could pass as a great workwear business casual pant too, that you can kind of dress up with whatever top that you're wearing. So these are a 11 out of 10. Closet must-have, Amazon favorite. And again, this crazy yoga brand on Amazon is one of my favorite for athleisure. So it's a win-win. I don't know, ladies, if I have ever seen a cuter lounge set. I am obsessed. I actually shared this on Instagram, and it has been a fan favorite. If you want to see all new items a little bit ahead of time, make sure to head on over to Instagram. This runs very true to size. It has that nice loose fabric that doesn't cling to you. It comes in more patterns and colors, but this pink bows, I mean, bows are trending right now. And the style of this, you just feel like so luxe. It kind of gives like Victoria's Secret at a fraction of the price. So size small here. Basically, Literally anything bows have been trending, so this is such a cute, fun way to encompass that. But when you put them on, you just feel so luxe and put together. It's a win-win. I am very picky when it comes to denim, so when I saw a new denim jean for women launch, I was like, I gotta give that a try. And right off the bat, I felt how great the fabric felt. It's about 73% cotton, so it's a nice breathable fabric. I like the pocket details on these. I think they're really cute. They have like a double pocket going on there, full zip, which is great. And this is that kind of on-trend fit, but it's a straight style. This reminds me so much of the Mother jeans that were actually in the Nordstrom sale, and those were like well over $150. I love everything about these except for my height. I am 5'8.5-ish, and these hit me more like a 7/8, 3/4 length on my legs. Kind of looked a little bit like a capri, but I had to share them because I thought if anyone is about 5'5", 5'6" or under, you would love these jeans. If you're taller like I am, they're gonna run a bit short on you. Just keep that in mind. You can see it in the B-roll here, but they do run very true to size in general. I really like the fabric. I feel like the fit on them is very flattering. A nice high-waisted fit right around your midsection. They hold you in, but they're also really comfortable to wear all day long, and they do come in a few color washes.